Angibingelele kubafundi bebanga leshumi umatikuletsheni. Ikakhulukazi kulabo abenza isifundo lesi sokubala kwezimali nokucwaningwa kwamabhuku phecelezi i-accounting. So sinohlelo la esincedisa khona abafundi ukuthi bethole ulwazi. So lolu hlelo silibiza nge-Online Accounting Intervention Program. So kunama-topic ekuyiwona esizobe siwabuka, especially lama-topic siwathola ngaphansi kwa-paper 2 we-accounting. So kulawo ma-topic lawo sibala i-topic esibiza ngo-cost accounting, okuyi-manufacturing, kube i-budgeting, i-stock valuation, VAT creditors, debtors, and bank reconciliation. So kulolu hlelo ilawa ama-topic esizobe siwenza ukuthi sisize abafundi ukuba belungiselele izivivinyo zabo njengoba sekusondele ukubhala kwabo. So iphepha leli esizobe siliphendula la iphepha lokuchibiyela elibhalwe ngo-2021. So that is May and June exam 2021. So i-question esizoyibuka u-question 3 wakhona. So question 3, budgeting. So bafundi njengoba nibona maningi amamagi aqukethwe ile question. So le question ihambisana namamagi awu-45 and unikezwe imizuzu ewu-40 minutes ukuthi uqede ukuphendula le question. So kubalulekile ke bafundi ukuthi siqikelele ukuthi siyasinaka isikhathi, because if unganakile isikhathi ungagcina uba senkingeni yokuthi iphepha awusaliqedi. So kubalulekile ukuthi uhambisane nalesi sikhathi esisuke sinikeziwe kwi-question ukuba ulindeleke ukuthi uqede ngaso. So in this question sino 3.1. So yini abayifunayo laphaya? So asifundeke and bafundi ngicela niqikelele. Uma nifunda niqikelele ukuba niyafundisisa, ningazitholi senenza into okungamele ukuthi niyenze noma nenze into engabuzwanga. So kubalulekile ukuthi uma ufunda uqikelele ukuba ngabe uyaqonda ukuthi yini le olindeleke ukuthi uyenze kuleyo question. So 3.1, insert the relevant amounts for each transaction below into the appropriate columns for the following cash budget and projected income statement for July 2021. So zuthuna ke izinto ekukhulunywa ngazo le question. Kukhulunywa nge-cash budget kanye ne-projected income statement. So la umfundi ulindeleke ukuba akwazi ukuhlukanisa between the cash budget and the projected income statement. So bafundi khumbulani kade senza i-session ye-cash budget where I was introducing the topic, nga mention something regarding i-cash budget. So i-cash budget ila esirekhoda khona izimali i-company elindele ukuzithola, ukuzireceive, lesi sibiza ngama-receipts. Iphinde futhi kuyi-cash budget i-company irekhode imali elindele ukuthi izozikhokha. So ngoba sisuke sibudgeta, this is i-planning, so it's part of i-planning. So if sibudgeta siyayisiba lento esibiza nge-budget period ukuthi iyona na izona ziphi inyanga esiyibudgetelayo. So into ebalulekile ukuthi siqonde ukuthi only cash transactions are recorded in the cash budget. So any transaction that does not involve cash cannot or must not be recorded in the cash budget. So imapha ama-transaction oyayithola ukuthi kumele uwagweme ukuthi uwafake kwi-cash budget. Ama-transaction akhuluma ngezinto ey'fana noma depreciation. So we know ukuthi depreciation is non-cash item because ayikho imali esiyikhiphayo sithi siyakhokha sikhokhela i-depreciation. Uma sikhuluma ngezinto ey'fana no-bad debt, that is also a non-cash item. Ayikho imali esikhokhayo sithi sikhokhela ama-bad debt, but sisuke sazi ukuthi ama-bad debt kusuke kuyi-loss leyo esiyenzayo because sidayisela abantu ngesikweletu bangabe besasikhokhela ukuthi instead ukuthi basikhokhele bangabe besakhokha basibalekela, then kugcine kuba yi-loss bese sibuka as i-expense, but there is no cash that is paid by the business for ama-bad debt. Kube nama-items afana no-stock deficit, kanye no-stock surplus, no provision for bad debt. All those examples engikunikeza wona ama-examples ezinto ongeke nangephutha uzifake kwi-cash budget because lezo zinto ekade ngizibala zi-involve i-cash. So only cash transactions aya kwi-cash budget. So i-cash budget inama-section ayi-2, kune-section yama-receipts, kube ne-section yama-payments. So kuma-receipts ila ufaka khona u-cash expected uku-receiver. And then ima-payments ila urekhoda khona ama-payments esizowenza or noma esiplane ukuwenza as per our budget. Bese siba nale esiyibiza nge-projected income statement. So i-projected income statement iyafana i-structure side, iyafana njengale income statement esiyijwayele. But umehluko ukuthi ngoba sithi this one is a projected income statement, ngamanye amazwi kusuke kuyi-income statement esiyi-prepare sisebenzisa ama-estimates. So i-projected income statement sisuke si-projector. So sisuke sibuka ukuthi maybe the following year silindele ukuba nama-sales kamalini, ama-expenses kamalini, ama-income kamalini kanye ne-profit kamalini. But your income statement is based on ama-figures esiwa-projectayo. So ukhumbule njalo ukuthi uma senza income statement si-considerisha o-matching principle, ama-gap principle, same thing esiyenzayo uma si-projector. We also use ama-accrual basis principle. But umehluko ukuthi le-income statement esiyi-projectayo kusuke kuyi-income statement esingayenzi using the actual figures, but isuke si-estimator because kubalulekile ukuthi every business ibe nama-goals ayo, ibe ne-planning. So before unyaka uqale there must be i-planning eyenzakalayo in the business ukuthi okay, as the service operator this year, this is what we are expecting. So zonke lezo zinto-ke zibe-estimator ngokwama-income and expenses kuyongena kwi-projected income statement. Now lana sinikezwe ama-transactions. So njengobona nje sine-example, but before siyibuke le-example sine section la ka-cash budget for uJuly. So ushuthi sizofunda ama-transaction, each transaction esiyifundayo sizo-indicate ukuthi ngabe iyangena yini kwi-cash budget for uJuly. So inyanga esikuyona noma inyanga esifocus kuyona it's July. So if ukuthi i-transaction sithi iyangena kwi-cash budget, kuzomele si-indicate ukuthi leyo transaction ngabe izongena kuma-receipts noma kuma-payments. So kuzodepend ekutheni ngabe yi-inflow noma i-outflow. Obvious uma kuyi-inflow kuzobe kuyi-part of ama-receipts le, ama-outflows, ama-payment lawo. Again siphinde sibe ne-section ye-projected income statement for uJuly. So uma sifunda i-transaction sizo-check ukuthi ngabe le transaction esiyifundayo iyangena yini kwi-projected income statement. So if ingena sizobe sisi-indicate ukuthi ngabe ingena kuma-income noma ingena kuma-expense. So njengoba ubona this example asiyenzeni ndawonye abafundi le example esinikezwe la. Monthly telephone cost are expected to be 4.2. So monthly telephone cost. So this is the telephone cost esikhokha monthly. So each and every month. Ushuthi uJuly now, yeah, same amount esikhokhayo for telephone, noma expect ukuyikhokha for telephone each and every month is 4.2. So this is a payment. So and the payment involve cash because uma sikhokhela telephone we pay cash. So that is a cash item, and all cash items ayeza kwi-cash budget. So is this 4,200 an inflow or outflow? So here we are paying. So money is going out. Okusho ukuthi kwi-cash budget, this 4.2 will be recorded under payments. And then income statement, telephone expense. So ama-cost, ama-expenses. So we projected income statement, the 4.2 uzongena ngaphansi kwani ama-expense because this is an expense. So now this was just an example. So thina sekumele sisebenzele lo 8 marks osilindile lapha ya ukuthi senze lokhu okumele kwenzeke. So nanka ama-transaction esizowafunda. So kulama transaction sizohamba sizofaka nansi nakhuza already sinayo i-answer book yethu. So ila sizobhalisa khona after sesifundile ama-transaction esiwanikeziwe. So these are transactions for July 2021. 3.1.1. A 3-month advertising cost for 6,000 will be paid on 1 July 2021. So there is an amount of 6,000 for advertising. So lo 6,000 will cover advertiser for 3 months. So it's a contract esingene kuyona with the the advertising company abazo-advertisela our business or our products, whatever sifuna uku-advertise promote our business. So kule contract we paid 6,000. Lokho kwenzakala nini ngoJuly. So lo 6,000 esikhokhayo asikhumbuleni ukuthi ucash law. So all cash transaction affected the cash budget. So lona kuza lo 6,000 ucover 3 months, of which asazi ukuthi izona ziphi lezo inyanga lezo, but iyaqhubeka i-information yethu la. So 2,000 of this amount related to the next financial year. So now esesikwaziyo ukuthi okay kulo 6,000 esiwukhokhile u-2,000 awubelong kule period esiyenzelayo. Remember our period is July. So u-2,000 that is included, which is included in that 6,000 awubelong kwi-period yethu kaJuly. So ubelonga kwi-period elandelayo esingasho ukuthi the following month, which is August. So thina yonke into esiyenzayo lana sifocusa kuJuly. So uma siza kwi-cash budget ke sizokwenza njani? So kwi-cash budget asi-apply i-matching principle. So thina sibuka ukuthi okay ngoJuly the total amount esiyikhokhile it was 6,000. So kwi-cash budget asinendaba ukuthi u-6,000 uhlanganisa imali engabelongi kuJuly, but for the fact ukuthi siukhokhe ngoJuly leyo outflow yenzakale ngoJuly. So kwi-cash budget kuma-payments wethu sizofaka the full amount of 6,000, which is the cash that was paid by the company on that date or during that month of July. So uma siza la kuma-workings wethu ku 3.1 siza kwi-cash budget. So this is an outflow, a payment there of 6,000. So 6,000. Ukhumbule asinaki indaba yokuthi lo 6,000 awumechi neperiod kaJuly khona 2,000 osukhokhwe in advance. So kwi-cash budget asinaki indaba zama-accruals. Go in ama-accruals siwaconsider kwi-income statement, not kwi-cash budget. Then uma sesiza kwi-projected income statement siyazi ukuthi sikhuluma nge-advertising. So advertising is part of ama-expenses, but kwi-income statement now sekumele si-apply u-matching principle, kumele si-apply u-accrual basis principle. So ngokwe-income statement we're gonna exclude lo 2,000 ongamechi ne-period yethu okuJuly. So thina sifuna i-amount that match with our period. So kusho ukuthi ngoba sikhokhe 6,000 and we know ukuthi u-2,000 akusiwona kaJuly or we-period after. So we have paid in advance. So this 2,000 is in advance, we must subtract it. We income statement. Why? Because income statement is prepared on accrual basis principle. Or umuthanda singasho ukuthi supplier the matching principle. Matching principle uthini ama expenses angabelongi noma angamatch ne-period wethu, we exclude them. We do not take them into consideration. So nano 2,000 awubelongi noma awumatch with our period, which is July. So the 2,000 must be subtracted. So we're gonna take the full amount 6,000 and we subtract 2,000. So the balance that match with our period is 4,000. So with income statement it is 4,000. This is our record. So la is a recorder only 4,000, not 6,000, because we are applying the accrual basis principle. Sesiqedile ngo 3.1.1. So sidlule size ku 3.1.2. On the 1st of July, so that is go to July vele inyanga esifocus kuyona our period. So on the 1st of July 2021, 45,000 will be invested in a fixed deposit at 8% per annum. So mhlawumbe sigcine lapha ya sizoyifunda iphathi ye noma sizobuye siqhubeke nephathi ye interest. So now ngoJuly sithatha u-45,000 siyo-investor. So lo 45,000 siyo-investor is cash loya. So all transactions are involved by cash, they do affect the cash budget. So now uma sithatha u-45,000 siyo-investor, is that an inflow or outflow? So if let's say we had in our bank account we had the balance of 100,000, Then 1,000 we take out to 45,000 is your invest. So now our balance will be reduced because the outflow yenzakali. So it's good to we use your investment, but in time say keep us to investor, cash is going out. Our bank balance is getting reduced. So now kuzoba yini leyo? Kuzoba outflow. So uma sesi record ngala we cash budget siyazi ukuthi the 45,000 it's payment because it's your coca we institution less your investor kuyona. So that is an outflow because imali ayingeni kuthina but imali isuka kuthina siyoyikhokhela labesi investor kubona. So siyazi ukuthi leyo mali vele izobuya back isiyamisana ne-interest, but since ingakabi matured our investment, our fixed deposit, so ditha ngoba sisayikhipha initially kuzoba i-outflow le. So ka 45,000. So we cash budget izongena kuma payment. So we're gonna have 45,000 lapha ya kuma payments. So no 45,000 investment. So ama investment ama assets lawo. So ama assets angena with balance sheet. So this investment 45,000 ngeke izi affect income statement because this is an investment, fixed deposit. Angithi yakhumbula with balance sheet, i-fixed deposit ingena ngaphansi kwama non-current assets. So ngaphansi kwama non-current assets uzoba nama fixed assets ube no fixed deposit. Or umuthanda ungayi-categorize as a financial asset because this is an asset that has to do with cash, with finances. So ungasho ukuthi financial assets. So those assets are financial assets angena with balance sheet, not with income statement. So income statement so far below 45,000. Mind you, with income statement we only focus on my income and expenses. Okay. Okay, interest is not capitalized and is received at the end of each month. So now every month end we receive the interest. So every month end we receive the interest. So the time money keep us to investor outflow, but month end you must receive the interest. Say we inflow, say we income there because now cash is coming or money is coming to us. So interest received is an income. So as he calculates the interest as a receiver every month end. So we must calculate the interest, the formula, interest income. So now you see be specific. This is interest on fixed deposits. Interest on fixed deposits. So interest on fixed deposit is equal to, so this is the formula system, and this is how to calculate that interest. So we take the balance as if fixed. So sizoti balance as if fixed si multiply ne interest rates, then sithole i-interest yonyaka. So asike sifake ama-figures wethu sibone. So how much did we fix? The balance as we fixed is 45,000. So below 45,000 we will be earning 8% interest per annum. So ngoba interest no ngoba 8% bethi nje it's the rate per annum. Kusho ukuthi uma multiply ngo 8% la, whatever interest amount esizoyithola i-interest yonyaka because we used i-rate yonyaka. So 8% is the rate per annum. So if you use the rate per annum, you will get interest or the amount for the whole year. So now we punch the calculator. 45,000 times 8% times 80%. That gives us 3,600. 3,600. So now since with this 3,600, the interest yonyaka wonke. So it's for 12 months because we used the rate per annum. So thina lana sifuna i-interest esi-receiver each and every month. So siyazi ukuthi in a year side inyanga ezo-12. So now this interest ka 12 months sisi-divide ngo-12 so that sizothola ukuthi how much interest do we earn a month. So now we divide by 12. So must divide ngo-12 laphaya sithola ba. So divide by 12 kuphuma u-300. Oh good. So every month end the investment yethu is generated the interest income of 300. So siyazi ukuthi at the end, angithi yakumula invest at the beginning of July. So at the end of July umhla ka-30 or 31st July sizobe sesireceive ke i-interest yethu because we have invested. So uma si-receive le interest, it's cash that we are receiving. So all cash transaction affects a cash budget, and in this case money is coming to us, so it's an inflow. So lokho kungena kuma receipts. So kwi-section yama receipts kwi-cash budget sizoba no 300, and then this 300 is an income. So our income, guys, ayangena we projected income statement. So income statement focus on my income and expenses. So this 300 is an income, interest income. So we income statement again sizoba no 300 ngaphansi where section yama income. So guys, I hope that we are following. So we're almost done. Then the last transaction. So now we are reading the last transaction, which is 3.1.3. Budgeted sales, budgeted cash sales, 23,200, and cost of sales, 16,000. So guys, sales are divided into two. So sales are divided into two. So I will show you. Sales are divided into two. So we've got our sales now receive. Let's receive cash for now. So these are cash sales. So cash sales, and then see benama sales as well on credits. So credits sales. So sales are divided into two. So cash sales and credit sales. Guys, we cash budgets sifaka only transactions that has to do with cash. So now cash sales, because we receive cash when we sell, local go by inflow, so kuzongena ku-cash budget. But credit sales awangena ku-cash budget because sisuke singareceive-anga mali, but sisuke sidayisile. Then abantu besithembisa ukuthi maybe they will pay later. So asi-record-ke singakayi-receive imali kwi-cash budget. Kwi-cash budget is-recorda if unemali esiyi-receivayo. On the cash transaction goes to i-cash budget. So if it's nama-credit sales, angithi la esesenza khona lento esibiza nge-debtors collection schedule, uma sesi-collecta from the people who are owing us. So into engifuna ukuyi-emphasize la ngiyi-highlight ukuthi ama-cash sales ayangena kwi-cash budget because these are sales asifakela u-cash. So onke ama-transaction asifakela u-cash nama-involve u-cash ayangena kwi-cash budget. So masidayisa we receive cash, that is part of receipt. So cash sales wethu uzongena kwi-cash budget ngaphansi kwama-receipts 23,200. So 23,200. So guys, ama-sales aphinde futhi angene kwi-income statement. So ama-sales siwarigarda as what? As ama-sales siwarigarda as income, income. So 23,200. So now into okumele uyazi ukuthi kwi-income statement isifaka both cash and credit sales. So whether cash sales noma credit sales konke kuyangena ku-income statement as long nje kungama-sales. So lana sino cash sales ka 23,200 siyazi ukuthi lonke uhlobo lama-sales liyangena kwi-income statement whether cash or credit sales. Then saphinde sanikezwa nama-cost of sales. Ama-cost of sales nawo again ayangena kwi-income statement. So ama-cost of sales bathe how much? So ama-cost of sales ayi-expert 16,000. So these are the cost to sell. So 16,000. And guys, we done. So sesina 8 marks. So guys, lokhu nje usukulindelekile ukuthi ukwenze ukuze uthole lama marks abekiwe lapha no 8 marks lo. So this is how we do it. So I hope ngeke isasibhayizisa le question. If kunembuzo nivumelekile ukuthi nibuze whatever question that you may have, you can ask so that ungangeni kwi-exam blank, ungangeni kwi-exam ungazithembi. So sizodlulela phambili. So we're done with 3.1.